Okay guys, just a few new little tools here. It's the Klein 3-in-1 flip socket set. Comes with a 5-inch and a 3-inch. They sell these at some Home Depots and Amazon. I got mine on Amazon, of course. So I'm not in love with this kind of semi-short bit. I'd rather just have a short bit and a longer bit. 5-inch. I think it is. There's a Malco 6-inch, so it is 5. But it does have the smaller 1/4-inch section on it. That idea was inspired by one of the minds of the choir boys, believe it or not. And I think this is really meant to go in one of these screwdrivers here, the Klein screwdriver, chuck screwdrivers, because it has these like notches on it, so you could adjust the length. But you can still use it in your impact gun. So I got that. I'm gonna try these out. Pretty cheap. And I got these 1/4-inch Allen bits. They have the 1/4-inch hex shank on them, so you can put them in a lot of your bit drivers and impact gun or whatever, even your drill if you want. So 5/16, pretty much just need 5/16 and 3/16. It has all these sizes. Supposedly, yeah, magnetic, I guess. Not that that really matters that much. These ones, they have a million of these on Amazon, which is where I got these. These ones are stamped. A lot of them are printed, so I think these are good because they're stamped with the size of it. Well, focus, you kind of see it. And this set came with metric as well. So maybe if you're working on a car or something, or maybe some mini splits, something. That's pretty much, I don't know, I just wanted to show you guys this. You've probably seen one of these bit keychain thingamajigs. So I'm just going to keep a couple of these bits on here, like so. And go like that. You guys probably seen these by now. But I like this, kind of cool. That's about it. I don't know, I'll put some links down if you're interested. Not trying to be a salesman, but you know, I just try to find cool stuff that I think is good, and that is pretty cheap too. I don't think you could really go wrong with these. I don't know how good these are, honestly, but anyway, just thought I'd show this to you guys. Choir boys, over and out. God bless. Okay, and I got this little Klein ratchet thing from Home Depot. I think it's 1/4-inch on one side and 5/16 on the other side. And it has a reversing, you know, it's like a little ratchet, right? Little thumb wheel. So, and then, you know, you could get tight spots. You could get, you know, 1/4-inch or 5/16 and get to those screws. And it comes with this, which has a little socket adapter. Which side does it go on? Right there. A little 1/4-inch socket adapter, so you could put sockets on it. 1/4-inch sockets, anyway. That's cool. So just don't lose that. And what else? So you could, you know, stick your nut drivers on there, like so. And you could put those Allen key hex bits on here. So that's cool. I got this a long time ago. They don't sell it anymore. Cobalt, and it was made for tight quarters. So this doesn't have the 1/4-inch locking hex there. Essentially, it's just, you know, you could probably make your own just by cutting that part off. But you could get into like really tight spots with these little nut drivers, and kind of was made sort of for these 90 degree adapter, so it just doesn't lock in there, but it stays in there good enough. But you essentially just make your own by just cutting off those, a 1/4-inch locking shank off your other bits, I guess, if you had to. But that's something cool. But like I said, they don't sell it no more. So, so I was looking for a good set of back probe test leads, and this is a cheap option. A lot of you guys probably already know about these. I got these at Walmart. I think a lot of automotive guys use these T-pins. I'm not sure what you would use these in stationary. I mean, I don't know. I never to a cork board or something. I don't know. But they got little T-heads, and these are good for back probing, wire harnesses, Molex connectors. And the only thing is, if you're using a couple of them next to one another, make sure not to short them out with this T-head. But as long as you're careful, it's okay. Kind of a little sketchy, so better to have back probe, like real back probe test leads. Like I said, a lot of automotive guys, I think, use these too. So I was looking for a good set of back probes, test leads. There's a lot to choose from on Amazon. This is a test lead set I got on Amazon a little while ago, and I really like it. I bought this separately. And the only thing I don't like about this, it's a nice, pouch and whatever, but the only pouch that's Velcroed is one. And so every time you go to, open it, stuff falls out, and you can tend to lose things. But it comes with these needle pins, which are flexible. These are pretty good. It comes with these. I already did a video on this, so I won't spend too much time. It comes with a couple big alligator clips, test leads, and a couple of smaller ones. So those are kind of cool, as well as these test leads. Like I said, I think I did a video on these already, but I really like them. And these come out. These are like the banana plug connections, I believe they're called, 4mm. And you can go ahead and swap these out and use any combination of test leads. You can leave one on there and one on here. They stay pretty firm in there for the most part. So it's pretty cool. I like these. And silicone test leads, very, very flexible. Seems like good quality. I've been using this a while, and I like it. I think it's a buy, and it's about, give or take, $20. So I'll put this back together. So that's cool. I like that. That's a buy. So I was looking for a set of back probe leads, and this was about $20 or so on Amazon, give or take. And the good thing about this is, it's kind of bright. It's like a, greenish camo. So as you know, I'm an avid hunter. And all these pouches on here are all Velcroed. So you're not going to really lose anything as you open it. So this comes with, I mostly bought it for these back probes. Comes with a variety of back probes. You got 90 degrees. You got your straights, just different colors. You got like a little 45-ish. Yeah, you have like 45. So you got a lot to choose from for your application. I could have used probably the 90s last week or something. Testing a smart valve, a gas valve. So these will fit. These are 4mm banana style, which I think that's what they call them. So you could stick these in here like so. Of course, you could color match. Where'd it go? Do we have red? Yeah, we have red and black. So, but anyway, you just got a bunch to choose from. The only thing is, it comes with these. It comes with these alligator clips, which won't go into these. Which I I don't really need that anyway. I already have a set. It comes with these, a big wad of kind of jumper test leads, and these you could slide these in here so you could kind of do something like that if you wanted to. Or these actually could plug into a meter as well. So I don't know. It's not bad to have these, but I didn't really buy it for these. But anyway, it's always good to have a variety of options. And yeah, that's what I wanted to show you. And like I said, and the only thing this doesn't come with is a good set of, meter test leads. So that's why I would recommend getting this black one, this test helper set, I believe it's called, because those have really good leads on them. It's hard to find like a complete kit that has the back probes and good test meter leads in one without spending a fortune. And I also bought, this was a little add-on, separate add-on. I bought these. It comes with some more back probe connectors or probes and these piercing probes. You could just use the regular piercing, your straight ones for that to pierce a wire, but this kind of helps because it has the guide. So you stick your wire in one end and then just pierce it. So that's good. Try, just the option. I'm not gonna make that a habit in piercing wires, but if you have to, you have to. And it's only just a little, it's just a little prick. So not a big deal. You could put a little electrical tape on it if you wanted to after you're done. So that makes this set basically complete. So probably like around 40. Oh, this was like $9-ish. So around $49, you kind of have a nice complete test lead set. So that's not too bad, and I think it's a good deal. Anyway, that's just me, but I just wanted to show you guys. Choir Voice, over and out. God bless.